Hey guys, Chris Meets with Icon Ecom here. Today we're going to go over how to set up calculated rates in your WooCommerce store to be able to charge those during the checkout process. In a previous video, we already went over how to set up your account so that when we invoice you for an order, that we are using calculated rates. So make sure to check that out if you haven't already. So to be able to charge for calculated rates in your WooCommerce store, the first thing you're going to need to do is come in and add a new plugin. So we're going to come in here and go to add new, and we're just going to search for USPS Simple. And the first result here should be this USPS Simple Shipping for WooCommerce, where you're going to go ahead and install that plugin and activate it. And now when we come over here to WooCommerce and go to our settings and then to shipping, you'll see here across the top there's now a USPS Simple option. We'll select that. We'll want to make sure that this shipping option is enabled. The postcode is set to 63401. And then we're going to come down here to our different shipping options. What we want to make sure is selected is just the priority mail option and the first class package service. Only those two options should be selected. The rest should all be unselected. For the title here, you can put in whatever you want your customers to see when they select that shipping option. And that's all you need to do to be able to enable that shipping option. So we're going to go to Save Changes here. And now customers will start seeing that option when they go to checkout. You'll notice that any new products that you've pushed over to your store will have the weight and dimension fields already filled out for you. We come in here and look at shipping, you can see we have our weight and dimensions already filled in. In this case, we don't need to apply this additional shipping class unless we still want to offer a flat rate shipping option at checkout. If you have old products that you want to be able to update the weight and dimensions on, WooCommerce does have a bulk edit feature. So I can select multiple here, come to bulk options and go to edit. And here I can set my weight. I can go to change to, and then same thing on dimensions. I can go to change to and update those weights and dimensions for all of the products. This doesn't update at the variant level, but just at the product level. So keep that in mind if you're doing t-shirts or anything like that. So if you haven't done so already and you're selling on other platforms such as Shopify or Etsy, make sure to check out those videos on how to set up the calculated rates on those platforms as well.